In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Google Chrome green screen issue on YouTube videos. If YouTube videos are playing with a green screen in Chrome, the good news is that this is usually caused by a display or rendering problem inside the browser, and it can often be fixed with one simple setting change. I'll walk you through the process slowly so it's easy to follow. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully open before moving to the next step. Once you're on the main Chrome window, go to the top right corner and click the three dots. This opens the main Chrome menu where you can access your browser settings and other tools. From that menu, click Settings. This will take you to Chrome's Settings page where you can manage how the browser works. Depending on your version of Chrome, the layout may look slightly different, but the option we need is still very easy to find. On the left-hand side, look for System and click it. If you don't immediately see it, you may need to scroll a little within the Settings menu. The System section controls some of Chrome's performance-related features, including the one that commonly causes this green screen issue on YouTube. Now find the setting called Use Hardware Acceleration when available. If this setting is turned on, click the toggle to turn it off. Hardware acceleration is designed to help Chrome run more efficiently by using your computer's graphics hardware, but in some cases it can create video playback problems, including green screens, flickering, or distorted visuals on streaming sites like YouTube. After you turn that setting off, Chrome will give you the option to relaunch the browser. Click Relaunch. This is important because the change won't fully take effect until Chrome restarts. When the browser opens again, go back to YouTube and play the video that was giving you problems. In many cases, the green screen issue should now be fixed. If the problem was caused by hardware acceleration conflicting with your graphics setup, this change usually solves it right away. As a helpful tip, if you still notice playback problems afterward, make sure Chrome is updated and that your graphics drivers are working properly, since those can also affect video playback. That's it. By opening Chrome, going to the three dots, selecting Settings, clicking System, turning off hardware acceleration, and relaunching the browser, you can often fix YouTube green screen issues quickly and easily.